Welcome, my friends, to the world of money rules that the rich don't want you to know. In this video, we are about to uncover some secrets that could change your financial future forever. So grab a seat, grab a notepad, and let's dive right in. Rule 1. Diversify your assets like a pro. If you want to build lasting wealth, it's not enough to rely on one income stream. The rich know that diversifying their assets minimizes their risk and maximizes their potential for long-term prosperity. Look around you. The rich have investments in stocks, real estate, businesses, and more. It's time to follow suit and spread your financial wings. Rule 2. Pay yourself first. Wait, doesn't that sound selfish? Not at all. The rich understand that they need to prioritize their own financial growth before they can help others. So, take a portion of your income and save or invest it before you pay bills or indulge in luxury. By paying yourself first, you're setting yourself up for a future filled with abundance. Think of it as a gift you're giving to your future self. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Rule 3. Debt is a double-edged sword. The rich use debt to their advantage, leveraging it to grow their wealth. However, they know the importance of managing it wisely. Learn to differentiate between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like a mortgage or a loan for an investment opportunity, can actually help you increase your net worth. But bad debt, like credit card debt or unnecessary loans, can suffocate your financial dreams. Rule 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. You've heard it before, but the rich live by it. Take a closer look at your expenses. Are you spending on things that don't align with your goals? Trim the fat, my friend. Saving on small expenses add up, and before you know it, you'll have extra cash to invest in your dreams. Rule 5. Continuously educate yourself. The rich never stop learning. They constantly seek knowledge, attend seminars, read books, and surround themselves with people who inspire and challenge them. Whether it's financial literacy or personal development, investing in your knowledge is the most lucrative investment you can make. Grow your mind, and your wallet will follow. Rule 6. Embrace calculated risks. The rich understand that fortune favors the bold. They take calculated risks and don't let fear hold them back. Life is an adventure, and in the financial world, it's no different. Take that leap of faith, chase your dreams, and claim the rewards awaiting you on the other side. Rule 7. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. The people you associate with have a significant impact on your mindset and finances. Seek out mentors, join networking groups, and build relationships with individuals who inspire you to grow and think bigger. Together, you can achieve greatness. Rule 8. Have a wealth mindset. It's no secret that the rich think differently. They have a mindset that attracts abundance and opportunities like a magnet. Believe in your ability to create wealth. Adopt a positive mindset, visualize your financial goals, and watch as the universe conspires to make them a reality. Rule 9. Think long-term. The rich understand that wealth accumulation is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is key. Stay focused on your goals, don't get discouraged by short-term setbacks, and always keep the bigger picture in mind. Success will be yours if you stay the course. Rule 10. Give back. The rich know the value of gratitude and philanthropy. Giving back to the community or supporting causes close to your heart not only feels incredible, but it also enhances your overall sense of wealth. Remember, my friends, the true measure of wealth is not just the size of your bank account, but the positive impact you can make on the world. And there you have it, my friends. 10 money rules that the rich don't want you to know, but that I am passing on to you today. So, embrace these rules, take action, and let's make your financial dreams a reality. Remember, you have the power to create a life of abundance. Until next time, stay wealthy.